Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me, my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's prepare some pilau with a twist, and we are preparing some pilau without meat. So you need about 5 or 6 ingredients thereabout, and without further ado, let's get started. So always remember to fluff up your rice using a fork. Never use a spoon or a mwiko because hiyo itashikanisha your rice. And as you can see, our pilau without meat is ready. Our beef stew is also ready, and our jahe is also ready. And I'm pretty sure you want to have the recipes, and I have all these recipes up on my channel, so you can check them out. I'm garnishing this with some spring onion leaves because I do not have some coriander. Then I also have this, and this is a salad that I've been enjoying for the past about 3 weeks, and I tell you it's amazing. So you should check this out. I'm going to do a recipe once this is over, and yeah, let's get to the serving. So as you've seen, it was that easy preparing this pilau without meat, and it's now time to give it a taste test. Tastes delicious. Wow. This is so good. So as you've seen, it was that easy, and I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.